Instagram is growing rapidly. The platform, nowadays owned by Facebook, is growing and growing. Every day, hundreds and thousands of people are newly signing up to this page. More and more people exploit how they can use Instagram to market their service or their business. But none of them are truly doing it right, because most of the people probably have a little bit of an idea of what to do, but they don't have a master plan. In this video course, I'm going to show you the most important facts that you will need to truly build a strategy on your knowledge regarding Instagram. If you don't know these facts, you can't build an outstanding strategy, because if you want to succeed in any kind of field, you really need to understand how this platform works. In this video course, I'm going to show you a little bit about the background of Instagram. We're going to learn what niches are popular on this platform. We're going to talk about what hashtags you should use, which filters to apply, and all of this will be based on statistics, because statistics don't lie. Why don't you should pick a niche that's really working and follow the right statistics? So join this course and get inspired by what's really going on Instagram. This course is for everyone that really wants to have a clear background knowledge of how to succeed on this awesome platform.